it's on his skin.
Okay, I've cut out this pattern of these purses and shoes, and then I added some base bias, and I'm gonna sew it. I already have this pre-cut. If I wanted to add a strap, it would be before I add the zipper, or it would be as I was adding the zipper. Okay, so I have both sides sewn together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sew the ends. How I'm going to do that, I'm going to open this, I'm going to open up the zipper, and so it's open, and I'm going to flip this side over so it's like that. And so like the zipper is like right here, the zipper teeth is here. I'm gonna line that up and line that up, and then I'm gonna sew it, and I'm gonna do that for this side too. So I'm gonna take this side and I'm gonna bring it over. I'm gonna bring it over. I see. The zipper's like in there, right there, but and I'm gonna bring it like that. I'm gonna do this side right here, and then I'm gonna sew both sides together. I'm gonna sew both ends. I'm gonna sew this side and I'm gonna sew this side. Okay, so I sew both sides. So I'm going to turn it inside out. I'm going to be able to turn it. Inside out. So I turn that inside out. Like that. And I'm going to do the other side as well. Okay, so both ends. That's what both ends look like. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew down, across, and back up on both sides. Okay, I just want to remind myself that after I've attached the zipper, I need to change my presser foot, because the zipper foot that I had on, I wasn't able to stay in a straight line on this piece. It doesn't look like that for this one, but for the first one, it kept slipping off. You know, I wasn't able to keep it straight. I did okay with like the sides, but just when it came to the end, it was piss poor. So anyways, this is what this other side looks like. So you can see it. Much better stitch. Okay, so I bound both pieces, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew from here like a little small triangle like that. And just to note, my zipper is still open. Okay, so I'm gonna take the side and I'm gonna put it in like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna fold it like this. Okay. I'm gonna connect it. And then I'm gonna sew it right here. Okay, I'll have to do this side a little different because there's not a lot of room like it was on this side. But I'm just gonna basically push this part in so I can sew this one and this one together. Yeah, this one like that, and then sew it.
Why are you doing that?
Just making sure that I don't sew this part.
Oh! Don't get out of ship. What are you doing? What are you doing?
So I'm going to sew from here to here. Okay. So both ends have been sewn. If I had wanted to add I'm not sure if it's called bias,
How you doing this way?
so I could cover this up to make it look neater. I could do so at this time for both ends, but I'm not going to do it for this piece. So here's the back.
Where would it get dark
Um,
every day?
I
Where
had
would
to
it
cut
get
some of the
dark?
string. The only thing is,
Hey, what are you
Let's see.
doing? Move it. Gotta move it.
like this, there's like a little hole right here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So I don't know really what I would do with this
Thank you
part.
to
I mean, I
move
could.
it.
This is where the zipper goes. I'll zip that in a minute. I guess I could always sew that so it's like, just it doesn't open up right there. But I'm probably not gonna do it for this bag. But here's a little pocket.
Wait a minute. What this is?
Here is the end part. This is where I could have put that bias there in order to cover this up. I'll probably trim that off. Again, right here, I'll cut the
I'm trying to
strings
pick
off.
you apart. I'm gonna
But
get you
also,
cookie.
nice little bag.
You wanna
It's
get your
cute.
fish? You wanna get your fish? You wanna need fish? That sound is skin.